This November, it's all about the ultimate Black Friday upgrade event at Myers Kanata Nissan. We're rolling out incredible deals every day, giving you the chance to drive home the new Nissan model of your dreams while saving big. Start by accessing your share of the $1 million in trade-in cash we have set aside to buy pre-owned vehicles of all brands from vehicle owners in the Ottawa area. Click on the Make Me an Offer Now button to unlock an exciting offer and secure your share of the Black Friday trade-in cash, leaving you with the perfect ride at a price you'll love. Our Black Friday extravaganza kicks off with Nissan's all-in Clearout event at Myers Kanata Nissan. We are wrapping up 2024 with a bang, offering some of the lowest prices of the year. It's like hitting the Black Friday jackpot. Imagine yourself behind the wheel of a brand new 2024 Nissan Z, saving up to $5,000, or enjoying the luxury of an in-stock Armada with rebates up to $10,000. For those aiming to save on interest, our all-in Clearout event delivers with 0.99% finance rates on approved credit, or up to $2,000 in cash rebates on select Murano, Pathfinder, or Altima models. And if you have a 2024 Frontier Hardbody on your mind, you'll enjoy $1,250 in finance cash on select in-stock models, plus free winter tires, perfect for all-season adventures. Eligible Black Friday shoppers could also receive up to $500 in a winter tire bonus, a $500 military rebate, and a $250 gift card to celebrate their new purchase. At Myers Kanata Nissan, we've set up everything to make your Black Friday experience even more rewarding. Looking for a certified pre-owned Nissan? Our dealership offers Black Friday deals with 3.99% finance rates on select in-stock eligible models on approved credit, ensuring your journey to savings starts here. So don't miss out on these unbeatable Black Friday deals. Head over to Myers Kanata Nissan this November, where every click of the Make Me an Offer Now button brings you closer to your next Nissan. Get your share of the $1 million in trade-in cash, enjoy exclusive Black Friday offers, and let's turn your automotive dreams into reality with the best Black Friday deals in the Ottawa region. Your next great adventure starts here with Myers Kanata Nissan's $1 million trade-in cash and exclusive Black Friday incentives.